All right, parents. Summer 2025 is around the corner, and what better way to beat the heat than with some awesome slip and slides for your backyard? Today, I'll be giving you the lowdown on the best slip and slides out there so you can pick the perfect one for your family fun. Let's dive in. Click the links in the description. First up, we've got the spring water slip and slide for kids and adults. This one's a crowd favorite with its extra long design, pool at the end, and 2 inflatable bodyboards. The good? It's perfect for all ages, durable, and provides hours of entertainment. The downside? It can be a bit tricky to set up and requires a decent amount of water pressure to work effectively. Next, let's talk about the JAMBO 20 feet premium 3-lane slip splash and slide. This one's a heavy-duty beast with 3 lanes and an advanced 3-way sprinkler system. The pros? It's great for racing, super stable, and built to last. The cons? It's on the pricier side and takes up quite a bit of space in your backyard. Moving on to the Tanyaksui slip and slide lawn water slides. This one's designed with a double lane and comes with 2 bodyboards. The plus side? It's extra long, lightweight at only 10 pounds and perfect for those summer parties. The downside? It's not as durable as some of the others, so you might need to handle it with care. Now let's check out the Joyin 22.5 feet water slide. This one's got a built-in sprinkler and 2 bodyboards. The great part? It's super fun, very easy to set up, and provides plenty of sliding action. The not-so-great part? It might not hold up as well with rough use, so keep an eye on the kiddos. Last but not least, we have the Sloosh triple water slide with 3 bodyboards. This one's a big hit with its 22.5 feet length and advanced sprinkler system. The good stuff? It's great for group fun, very durable, and ensures a slippery good time. The bad stuff? It needs a good amount of water to keep it slick and might need some quick fixes here and there. So, there you have it, folks. Whether you're planning a big summer bash or just want to keep the kids entertained, these slip and slides are sure to bring a splash of excitement to your backyard. Remember to always supervise the little ones and have a blast. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more summer fun tips. Catch you next time.